January, February,
March,
April,
June,
July, August,
November,
December.
A'udhu billahi as-samir al-alim minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. We are going to have the second session of our course. You ready for that?
yes sir.
You ready for that?
Yes, sir.
MashaAllah. Your name, please?
Hassan.
Okay, what's his name? Faham Hassan. We are going to... The way I am asking Mr. Faham the question, it's you to follow the same. What's it?
It's finger.
Excellent. What's it?
It's nail.
Funds clear?
Yes.
What's it?
It's ceiling fan.
What's it?
It's table.
What's it?
It's flag.
Excellent. You got the idea?
Yes sir.
You ready?
Yes.
You can ask about anything which is over there in this room. Who shall initiate the session? Who has the mic? You have the mic.
What's it?
It's register.
MashaAllah. Please.
what's it?
It's chair.
What's it?
It's tripod.
Excellent.
What's it?
It's hair.
MashaAllah.
What's it?
This one?
It's mic.
Excellent.
What's it?
It's a pair of glasses.
Excellent.
What's it?
It's monitor.
What's it?
It's mobile.
What's it?
It's light.
What's it?
It's jacket.
Excellent. You got the idea? Have a look at whatever that thing is and ask what's it. And the answer is it's and then name of the thing. For example, I'm revising for you. What's it?
It's the Holy Quran.
It's the Holy Quran. Excellent. What's it?
It's paper.
What's it?
It's 30.
It's 30. Excellent. What's it? It's...
Page.
And what's it?
It's writing.
It's writing. Clear?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. Simply say yes, it is, or no, it isn't. The first round is clear?
Yes, it is.
MashaAllah. We are moving to the second round. What month is it?
It's December.
December. What month is it? December.
December.
Ready? After December?
It's January.
Excellent. After
January,
It's
February,
after
February,
It's March.
it's March. After March?
It's April.
Excellent. After April?
It's May.
After May?
It's June.
After June?
It's July.
After July?
It's August.
After August?
It's September.
September. After September?
It's October.
After October?
It's November.
And after November?
It's December.
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 And what month is it?
It's December.
No points clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
The first question.
What month is it?
Excellent.
It's December.
Okay.
After December,
It's January.
January,
Please.
After January?
January,
What? Excellent.
It's February.
February,
Clear?
It's
Okay.
after February,
It's March.
It's March.
After March?
It's April.
April. Excellent. Okay.
after April,
It's May.
After May?
It's June.
Excellent.
after June,
It's July.
Excellent.
After July?
Excellent.
It's August.
after August,
It's September.
After September?
It's October.
after October,
It's November.
After November?
It's December.
It's December. Funds clear? Yes. We are moving. Next step of the same question. Ready? What month is it?
It's December.
Excellent. Please.
before December,
It's November.
Before November?
It's October.
before October,
October. Jig.
It's September.
Before September?
It's August. It's July.
Excellent.
It's June.
before June,
It's May.
Okay.
Before May?
It's April.
It's April.
before April,
It's March.
Before March?
It's
February,
Okay.
before February,
it's
January,
And what month is it?
it's
December. Clear? No, it's your turn. Now the first person shall. दिसंबर के बाद जनवरी होता है, जनवरी के बाद फरवरी होता है, फरवरी के बाद मार्च आता है, मार्च के बाद अप्रैल होता है, अप्रैल के बाद मई का महीना आता है, मई के बाद जून होता है. चलो पॉइंट्स के लिए श्योर प्लीज.
It's December now.
It's January after December.
it's February after Jan.
It's March after February.
It's April after March.
It's May after April.
It's June after May.
It's July after June.
It's August after July. It's September after August.
It's October after September.
October after September.
It's November after October.
It's December after November.
And what month is it?
It's December.
Points clear? Yes. No.
It's you to ask these people the questions.
And then whatever the name is there, you will ask before that. Clear?
What month is it?
It's December.
Before December.
It's November.
Before November.
It's October.
Excellent.
Before October.
It's September.
Before September.
It's August.
Before August.
It's July.
Before July.
It's June.
Before June.
It's May.
Before May.
It's April.
Before April.
It's March.
Before March. Before February.
It's January.
Before January.
It's December.
And what month is it?
It's December.
Excellent. We are moving to the next round, and that is about weather. What?
Weather.
Weather. You ready for that?
Yes.
The question is,